Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have my zodiac sign of the month, that is Sagittarius, that just started on November 22nd. And if you are new here, then hi, I'm Joanna and I do all kinds of makeup and beauty videos, so consider subscribing. But if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just went ahead and done the upper part of this eye, and now I'm going to do this one on camera. And I'm gonna start by priming my lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And I'm not going to set it. And also for my brows, I used the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade. So for this look, I'm going to use the Delanci Nocturne eyeshadow palette that looks like this, and on my search some of the color palettes for Sagittarius were dark purple, dark green, and also some kind of dark blue or turquoise. So I'm going to use these two shades and this one, also a little bit of the black, and then on my lower lash line I'm going to use this green. So I'm going to start with this shade and I'm going to pack it on the two inner thirds of my lid using kind of a flat brush. This is the Jessup Smudger and I'm going to use it with setting spray. I want to make this one really opaque, and as you can see I'm really not worrying with fallout because I'm gonna clean it up next. Okay, so I'm basically leaving it like that, and now I'm taking the Jessup Luxe Soft Definer and I'm taking this shade to blend the edge of this one and also extend kind of my crease a little bit to this outer corner. So I didn't mention, but I'm also going to use this shade to blend a little bit of the upper part of this one, kinda so that it blends a little bit better with my skin tone. So next I'm going to take the Petite Eye Blender and I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna pack it on my outer corner, blending it a little bit on the crease and also on top of this turquoise color. And I'm basically using the same brushes that I used for these to kind of blend each transition together, like a little bit of the blue. Now I'm taking the same brush that I used for the purple with just a little bit of that black shade to intensify the outer corner. Just a little bit. And I'm taking a little bit of the purple on top. So as I have on this side, I'm going to do a wing liner using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm also taking the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline, and for mascara I'm using the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable. So I'm just going to clean up this mess and do my base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is done, and just for reference, I used the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1. I used again the Revolution Conceal and Define, and then I also used the Technic Soft Focus Loose Powder. Now, Sagittarius is a zodiac sign of fire, and also this kind of turquoise color really brings me some kind of very warm vibes. So I'm going to use my favorite bronzer. That is this one from the Kiko Gold Waves collection. To kind of match with this, for blush, I'm going to use one with kind of a coral tone. I'm using this one from the Kiko Lip Milots collection. That is a coral blush with kind of a gold reflex. And for highlighter, to keep it kind of in a gold reflection, I'm going to use the W7 Glow Commotion. That looks like this. Okay, now to finish the lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade kind of all over the lower lid, and then I'm also going to blend it with this one. That is the color I used on the upper part. Finish my eyes, I'm going to line my waterline with the Kiko Everlasting Kajal, then I'm going to use the Kiko mascara. Okay, and to complete this look, I want to bring a little bit of the cool tones from the purple and the turquoise, so I'm going to use my favorite lipstick of this month. That is the Kiko Instant Color Matte in the shade 09. Now, the only thing that is missing is a little bit of inner corner and brow bone highlighter, and I'm going to use again the W7 Glow Commotion. So this is my suggestion for the Sagittarius Zodiac Sign, and I think this was a very different look for me. I don't usually combine these colors, so this was kind of interesting and fun. And if you liked it, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you are a Sagittarius and when is your birthday, and if you are not a Sagittarius, I have a whole playlist of my zodiac inspired makeup, so go check it out. And on my next video I have my November favorites of 2019, so if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!